Hey everybody, I'm here for a quick Tip Tuesday for you. I'm Nate and I'm living full-time in the D15 with my wife, and we've learned a few things along the way and I want to share something. So originally we thought we were going to get the Dweller 13 and we were kind of locked in on that one, and then we started thinking, you know what, the Dweller 15 is a really good option because it has the bunk bed, and although we don't need the sleeping spot, we wanted to use it as storage. So we just took out the mattress and we found 4 bins that fit perfectly on the bunk, and they're at the right height and width so they don't move around and they don't need to be moved when we pull the roof down, so they can stay put during transit, and that way we're able to keep more stuff. We have some clothes, toiletries, and even some pots and pans up there. That's been amazing. So that's one thing that we've learned, is that storage is kind of the holy grail when it comes to living in a trailer, or even if you're just going camping for extended periods of time. You want to get something with a lot of storage and you want to be able to utilize the storage you have. So for the front compartment, right when you walk in to the right, that front compartment right there is huge. But what we did to utilize it better is we got 3 big bins that we can put our cans and jars in, because if your stuff isn't packed tight, it's just going to topple over and get tossed around. So we're able to pack it nice and neat and tight in those 3 storage bins to help organize everything, and it's been amazing. So there's the Tip Tuesday for this week, and stay tuned next week. We'll be rolling these out every week. Thanks for watching, guys.